Regrets are vital. Welcome, I'm Ed Zinkiewicz and I have a tip for you. Regrets are vital. Man, I wish I hadn't have done that. How many times have you heard that? Or said it yourself? Did you stay up too late? Eat too much, play too hard, work too hard, whatever. You regret some kind of action. I have a huge regret. I eat too much. I love food. I like how it tastes. I like having meals. I like visiting with friends over meals. But it has gotten me in trouble. But instead of being ashamed of that, I'm going to let the regret work for me. How's that happen? Well, first, if you regret something and you realize that you do and you get over the shame, you've actually paying attention to what's wrong. Now, how many years did I spend not paying attention to what's wrong? Second thing is, because you can look at what's wrong, you can focus on it. You can plan ahead. You can prepare things to do instead of coming up with a future regret. Maybe I'll use smaller plates. Maybe not eat so much, or take that second helping. Maybe take a pass on dessert once in a while anyway. How about you? How has regret helped you? I find that it can be a learning experience if you do pay attention and you do take responsibility. Share your story with me. What have you regretted and what are you doing about it? You can share it in the comments below. I'll talk to you again next time.
This is Ed. Want to know when the next video's out? Click subscribe below and click the little bell. Better yet, go to my website and sign up for my newsletter. You'll get notified about new videos.